Welcome back to Low Tab Lounge, everybody. Doing another booster box opening. This time it's me and Chris, because we're the ones with the extras this time. Still waiting on Zach. We don't know when he's going to record his yet. So, keep an eye out for that. We'll see if he does it. But in the meantime, let's crack the rest of this case, my man. Let's see what we get. Hopefully, the good stuff. Yep. I got one SIR. I'm looking for another one, though.
I got one, the best one in the world. I was informed it was $90.
Something like that.
So it's not the worst thing in the world.
I really want to see that Hydreigon SIR. So bad. It's so nice. Alright. Anything in the first box? No. Well, that one opened up really easy.
Yeah.
I'll take it. That don't happen often.
Pack number 2.
Pack number 2 is also a dud.
Uh-oh.
Not the best start, but it's how you finish. I think it's just a baby hollow. Oh no, I got SIR already. Come on, it's quick wit.
Well,
Not the one I wanted, but it's one I'll take.
right.
Ooh, you got the Larvesta.
Second one.
That's nice. Got the Vibrava IR. I'll take it.
Really?
Come on.
Nice.
Third pack was the SIR. And Cerulege. There you go, Mike. I think he's already got him now.
Got one off. Pink.
First day spec.
Brilliant blender.
Nothing in there.
Blender.
Wheel. Come on. Get off it.
Slow start.
Nothing.
Oh.
I would say I think the hits are going to be on the other stack, but I mean, this side had the SIR, so.
Well,
There's another one.
it's extra game. She's extra.
Oh, at least I know where I can get one now. No. Nothing in that one.
I don't like seeing the hits.
Huh?
I said I don't like not seeing the hits.
I don't know.
There ain't much hits to see right now.
No, just a
I say that.
sea of nothing.
I say that and I pulled a full art. Drosna full art.
Alright.
I know I don't have it. I'm so sad.
Okay.
We'll be all on the other side. All on the other side.
Yep, try to go be Chris. All the gas is gonna be on that.
I hope so. That's an extra.
Kilowatt.
Oh, I saw an edge. I don't know what kind of edge, but I saw an edge. Scoville EX. I need that. Okay, so for once, my 2 boxes are treating me very good and giving me stuff I don't have yet.
Knock on wood, John. It's on it.
It's a wood of sorts.
That's pretty smooth.
I got dinos for days, but I don't need those. Need the high dragons. I don't know why Swellows is just so hard to pull.
Alright. I gotta change my look or something.
Start drawing from the other side, Chris?
Once.
Ooh la la.
The Vivillon IR. I see pink.
Alright.
Are we
I
next
changed
to
it.
Ooh la la.
Miracle headset. Oh, it's a double hitter. It's the Execute,
Oh,
which I don't have.
I keep. I want to see.
Well, look at this.
There's your other Pikachu. That's enough for the deck, isn't it?
I actually want to hit one more of these. So I
I
can play that.
got one for you. I don't plan on playing Pikachu.
Okay.
You're not gonna set this one.
No, I'm not messing on this one.
Thankfully, he's not.
Here is the third one of these I've got.
Well, it's a good thing I need that.
I got one of those. I like.
There's an edge.
I jumped over and in the last packs were hits.
That's a stellar, I think. It's not a full art. Can you unseparate, please? Tatsugiri EX. I do have that. We got some ideas for Tatsugiri.
That's a gear.
I have played for some, yeah.
Oh, I know you do.
This deck.
It's unfortunately the decks I found with Sylveon. I heard running it in an engine I do not like it.
You don't like playing it?
I don't like playing against it. And or
Well, see-
I've not played it personally myself.
It's a different story when you're playing. Nothing in them. We're down to the other side.
This is gonna have to help me out.
Let's make some of those.
I have yet to pull a basic Latias from the extra myself. I feel like I pulled the full art, but I could be wrong on that. SIR or full art Drayton? I'm not for sure. I gotta double check on that. It looks like the full art.
Let me see.
It's like 232 in the numbers, so I want to say it's the SIR.
No, that's full art.
It's full art because it goes.
It's the only 2-star.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Or the silver stars.
Yeah,
The S stars like those stars.
that's right. I couldn't remember what the
Yeah.
what was for
I
that.
almost broke the camera.
Yeah, don't do that.
Break the camera.
Or knocked it over. Almost.
Ooh la la.
Put my hand out there.
Energy Search Pro.
Heck yeah.
I don't want to read that card. I've
I'll
seen
let
it.
you read it.
I haven't read it.
Go ahead and get all your
Travis.
energy and just put them in your hand.
Words.
Take it back, John.
I got another Archilot on EX.
Take it back.
No, I still have it. What do you mean?
No,
Share my suffering.
no, I don't want you.
Anything in this pack? No. Not outside the baby Tropicals.
Ooh la la.
Full art or IR Slack off. I don't have it yet.
It's so funny.
Yeah.
We're going out pretty cards first.
Well,
An extra.
Nice.
I'll be putting code cards in here.
Well, see, last time I tried to do it on the game on the phone, it didn't put cards. Didn't give me pack nothing.
Thank you, John.
See you, Chad.
See you, Nick. Be good, bud.
Ah, I already know who it is.
It's a dragon.
Randy. How Jacob?
I want to see the SIR so bad in person.
No, you have, well, you put in this IR, haven't you? In this
Not
box?
this box.
Christopher, got your name just for a second.
Come on, Speedler, bring me something.
Ooh la
You
la.
did. You brought me an extra spiel.
Spiel, I want it.
It's so cute.
It is.
You actually want it?
I do want it.
Okay. That'll take a little bit off of the debt. Pink.
Pink.
Be one of the ones I don't have.
Ooh la
It's another
la.
enriching energy. Hopefully someone will need that and I can get rid of it.
1, 2, 3.
What do we got in this one? A hit. A Slacking EX basic.
Man, you got that?
12 so far.
We have all effectively pulled the Slacking EX today.
But you still yet to see the full one. It's beautiful.
Alright, Diglett with your 3 little hairs. Anything? No. No.
Nothing, Chris?
This is going to be a disappointing box.
Tatsugiri EX full art.
I
Is it
haven't
extra?
seen it yet. I haven't seen the full art yet. Beautiful. I just like tattoo gear in general.
If you're interested. That's an extra.
12 hits, last pack.
Dang. You having a me number box.
Oh, this is supposed to be more box.
They did have the High Dragon in there, so. What is that?
13.
There you go. I thought it was going to be something insane.
It was. It's the same dud card of the whole set.
One or two.
2.
This one. Go this one. Let's peek. Let's
Yeah, I
peek.
go with Pikachu.
Let's go. Let's peek and see what it is later.
Alright.
Yeah, that one was. I hate to say it was a dud box.
Oh, there's a hit in this one. And it's another Executor EX.
Last pack magic.
Give me that magic, baby. I think I took Chris's magic. I think I'm about to beat him out in number of hits here. Dud pack.
Alright.
So let's see how many was in this one.
I'm so sad.
I'm sorry, Chris.
Oh, it's all good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Still
Dang. I usually get the light number box.
I don't have to steal many this time.
Not this time. Well, that's it for our case. If Zach gets a chance to record his box, you'll see it at some point. But if not, knowing him, he might just be an eager beaver and be like, I'm a ripping. We got some more Surging Spark videos coming up. So keep a lookout for them this week. And of course, we're going to have at least one deck video for Surging Spark. So that'll be fun to play with. So until the next time I see you, y'all take care.